Ew.
Ew.
Why are you like this?
Brother, ew.
What is going on?
What's that?
Why is it like that? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we're gonna make this introduction short and sweet. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. We are getting into this makeup routine really quickly, okay? We're going to, so I'm kind of looking, okay, so first of all, your girl's got a bob. Now that we've established that. Second of all, I'm going to dinner, so I want to recreate and do like a summer dewy kind of vibe, if you know what I mean. I'm going to show you my inspo. We're starting with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Plus Instant Glow Moisturizer. And yeah, we're just going to re-moisturize because I feel like the cream kind of, like what I put in the morning dried up. So that's what we're doing. You know what? Ole Henriksen have they had a campaign thing with Merit, and they were like, oh, you can mix it together. So I'm gonna try and do that. Today we're trying new things. I'm mixing together Merit and Ole Henriksen cream. As you can see, there's Merit right there. You see the Ole Henriksen cream. We're putting 2 and 2 together and trying to make 4. If we make 5, don't talk to me. But if we make 4, chat nice. So we're going very, very much extreme glow. I think the glow definitely did its thing. I can't put on cream without putting on eye cream, so I'm just gonna put on some eye cream really quickly. And then finally, we're gonna reapply my sunscreen. I don't know how I feel about it. It does give me a good glow, I will say, but I wouldn't say that, well, I don't know, to be honest. I haven't used many sunscreens. My favorite was the Roche-Posay, and since my last one finished, I just haven't gone back. I don't know why. Don't ask me questions. It's very personal. I'm not putting on primer because I don't have primer. Power. It doesn't say it's matte, it just says it's hydro grip. Okay, let me use this. Ew.
Ew.
Why are you like this?
Brother, ew.
What is going on?
What's that?
Why is it like that? That wasn't even a lot. That was odd. We're gonna start off with our foundation. Like I said, not too much makeup, not too much of my girl. This is my Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint that I think I bought it maybe like last year or something like that. And it's just been like my summer go-to. Funnily enough, I haven't actually worn it in summer. But look, like it's kind of like the eavesdrops from Fenty, whereby it's a shade range. It's not like one shade. And like I told you, like I'm not trying to put on too much makeup, to be honest, because I'm only gonna have my makeup on for like 2 minutes. So we're gonna just put this. I need to wash my brush because why is it stiff like this? But yeah, this was, I remember I used a sample of this. Sephora gave me a sample and I was like, okay, let me try. I tried it out and your girl loved it. She absolutely loved it. So I was like, yo. Is my face giving glowy? Because honestly, it's still giving glowy to me. Love. So we're taking the Hourglass concealer. As you can see, we're going to take her. And we're just going to put her here. Like I said, nothing big, nothing too crazy. I just want to have her around. I think I put on more than I wanted to, but 'tis what 'tis, innit? I'm also still like kind of on the clock, still kind of working. So let me just, as I wait for my makeup to dry, let me just see what's going on in the work chats.
He a rapper, but still got a chain. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my beans. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party.
Actually, Oopsie, forgot one more thing. My Say Beauty hands. This is the bronzer. I've already made some sort of like dent in it, but this girl's not going nowhere. Let me tell you that for free. So let me just add some up here. This, I believe, is the darkest shade that they have.
I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Let me get it wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yeah, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too.
I'm taking actually the Patrick Tar, Hardy Har, and we're gonna go in on the cheeks. Now the Patrick Tar, if you guys are unfamiliar with it, it's kind of like a twofold blush. So essentially what is happening is, sorry, this is it right here. And then when you open it, so here is the powder, here's the liquid, or like the gel-ish form, and then here's the powder. Oh, little strokes. I fear that I may have overdone it with the pigment, so I'm gonna take my sponge. Is it giving what I want it to give? Is it giving Ashwina? Tell me the truth and shame the devil. I actually, I low-key am feeling it. You thought I was feeling you? I am. So let me just grab my, y'all know, Laura Mercier. I think I'll be migrating to Huda Beauty soon. I'm actually very excited about that migration. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a fun time. Yeah, using the other side of the blush could be a cute little idea, just to make it, I don't know, more prominent on my face. So hopefully when I go on the street I don't look crazy, but that's kind of the vibes right now. Not crazy, but like this is kind of my vibes. Like it's like we're kind of like natural. Anyway, I'm gonna put on the Merit Beauty again on top of my cheeks, just to bring that glow back to the forefront. I'm also gonna do my nose glow, just because I'm an addict, okay? I'm an addict. I love it. Like literally inject it into my veins, like, yeah. So I'm gonna get my cheeks. Don't quote me on this, okay? But I'm thinking a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of highlight. What do you feel? I'm gonna do a little some and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna put this on my eyelid, right? Oh, not too much on my girl. So we're gonna buff that out. Then we're gonna add it together. I don't know what it did, but I feel like it did. Yeah, I think it kind of did something, just something really small. It wasn't too much on my girl, but also it wasn't like, it's not too natural. Like this is what we're working with. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it. Like it's like, you know, maybe I'll add some more. See what happens. Yeah, like it kind of like glows up your eyelid. I'm glad I did it. Thanks, Merit. Now I have to readjust. So I'm almost done now. Like I've done my hair. I really like it. I feel like I could have done more on this side to make it wave, but honestly I don't know, but this side is definitely waving, so shout outs to this side for acting right. Whatever you're trying to do, I don't know. But I'm gonna go in with the Coin Collector by by One Size. For my brown and black girls, if you're looking for another brown lip liner to add to your collection, this is your girl. I'm telling you, for free. Then we're taking the Fenty Beauty Power Thirsty. We're using a brush. The brown is supposed to overpower.
Like damn, she her move. Like damn, she her move. Like damn.
Yeah, the brown is supposed to take over. Cool. So now that we've got that, like honestly, I'm loving this nude combo. Like I think it's really gorgeous. And then I'm just gonna take my Ole Henriksen Power Preserve Lip Peptide Treatment in Strawberry Sorbet.
Using a date. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie.
This is like my perfect nude for Friday night, to be honest. And it's a girls' dinner. Girl dinner! So this is my lip, y'all. It's very nude. Like I said, the vibes for this like look is kind of like, oh, you know, dewy, sun-kissed, all of the above. So that's the look that we're going for.
So the paparazzi in my face.